this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to start selling digital products in your Shopify store. And I've personally sold over thousands of dollars using this exact method. You're first going to go to the Shopify App Store. You can easily type this into Google, and then it's going to take you to this page right here. And so you want to type into the search bar digital download. And so you're going to get a couple of options on this page. What I have personally found works best is the big digital download products app with the orange download icon. And so I'm going to click this. It's going to take me to this page. They do have a free plan, which is great. And then they have the Pro, Elite, and Enterprise plan. What's great about this app is that you can upload digital files and you can share URL links. So let's say you have a Notion template that you're selling. All you have to do is include the link and the customer can access that link right away, in addition to any ebooks or guides that you offer in PDF format. And so you have a lot more options with this digital downloader. The only note is that with the free plan, you have a max of 15 orders. And that's why I recommend the Pro plan, which gives you unlimited digital products and up to 10 gigabytes worth of storage, plus you can bulk import products. To the left, you'll see a button that says install. Because I currently have this in my Shopify store, it says open. Since you have the app installed, it's now time to add a digital product. And so what you're going to do is go to digital products, and then you're going to click the button that says new digital product. And so it's going to give us the option to do a standard digital product, which is just one digital product that we sell over and over again, or custom digital product, like a personalized logo or website. Based off the type of shop that you have, you'll make your decision. I personally sell standard digital products because I believe in creating it once and then selling it passively. You can choose what works best for your business. The first step we need to do is connect the digital files to an existing product. If we don't have a product listing already, we'll start by creating a product, which will take us to this page right here. Let me quickly fill this out and get back to you. So we have the title of the digital product. It's an all-in-one grant management system. We have the description of the product, the category selected as ebook. We have the price set at $47, and we will be charging tax on this digital product. And so through my research, I found out in the state of Texas, I do need to charge sales tax for any digital products that I sell. You should do your own research, but based off mine, this is what I found out. And so I will have charged tax on this product selected. Scrolling further down, we want to make sure under the shipping category that a physical product is not selected, as this is a digital product. And so we don't want to add in another step of customers entering in shipping details if they don't need to. You also want to upload your product images here. And so once everything looks good, I'm going to change the status of the digital product from draft to active, and then I'm going to select save. Once you've listed the product, you now want to connect it within Big Digital Download. And so we're going to select the product and then click add. And so when it comes to the file, we have a couple of options. The customer can access a digital file or just a license key. For now, we're going with digital file, and the digital product consists of a link, which will take them directly to the Notion template. Next, it's going to ask us if we want to update the customer if the file has been updated. And so if we are making changes or updates to the file, then we can notify customers. If we plan on creating it just once and that's it, then we don't need to. For now, let's say no, don't send additional email alerts. Moving on, I now need to add in the link that will take the customer to the Notion template. And for the final step, you can customize the email that the customer receives. And so the default email will say, hello, customer's name. Thank you for purchasing from our store. You can download your purchase files below. And so it'll give a picture of the file as well as the link taking the customer directly to the Notion template. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our team. Thanks from Darcy's business team. And so if everything looks good, you're going to hit save in the upper right-hand corner. Once you hit save, the digital product that you just added will show up at the top of your screen. And so we're going to click products and then go to our digital product. We're going to scroll down and change a few settings. And so we're going to change the price to $0. And we're also going to change the on-hand inventory to $999 and hit save. And so since everything looks good, we're now going to view the product. We're going to add this product to our bag and then hit check out. And so we're going to type in a test email, put in our address details and phone number, and then select complete order. Since we got confirmation from Shopify that our order is complete, we're now going to check our email. This is what I'd like to call a success. The customer has received their digital product in a matter of minutes. There's one more thing I need to do, and that is change the price to $47. And so I'm going to go back to the product listing, change the price to $47, and hit save. And now customers can successfully buy my all-in-one grant management system within my Shopify store. Let me know if you have any questions at all in the comments below, and make sure to watch this video right here for the best business bank account.